Hey guys, welcome back. So this is an announcement related to a video series that I would be making in the coming weeks and months, and that's related to how I made my Equatorial platform. I had received from one of my viewers way back in the beginning of the year about how did I make the Equatorial platform. Let's get started. So this video series is going to be split into 4 or 5 different parts. In this video series, I would be explaining you what are the features, the data collection that you need to do before you start to design your Equatorial platform. What are the things to be taken care of? How do you manufacture, what sort of a material, which type of motors you can use, what are the different options that are available, what are the considerations I made, what are my constraints for those choices, and also what are the mistakes I had done while making my Equatorial platform. So obviously I do not want you guys to make those mistakes. But nevertheless, to start with, I would like to tell you about certain parameters or data points that you need to collect before thinking of designing an Equatorial platform. Number 1 is at what latitude are you living in, and at what latitude you will be using this. For example, if you are living in a city and you travel to a dark location more often for your astrophotography or visual astronomy, then how far in terms of delta in the latitude there is, because there is a limitation in which the Equatorial platform can be used because of some reasons that I will explain you later. Number 2 is we need to calculate the center of gravity of the whole system. So for that, what you need to do is if you have a Dobsonian telescope, you need to take out the base and you need to take out the tube separately and you need to measure the center of gravity for each of these individual systems, and then we can using mathematics we can combine and then calculate what is the exact center of gravity of the whole telescope. For that, 2 key features would be to know where is the center of mass acting in terms of the length from one of the reference surfaces, probably the base of the telescope. Number 2 is the weight of these 2 systems, so the tube and also the base. There will be more parameters, but I would be explaining them in the upcoming video series. So hope you would follow me on this video series and you guys will like this series and participate by asking questions that I would try my best to answer them. So like, subscribe and share. Bye.